This is Sony Entertainment Network. Love marriage या arranged marriage explores the debate between love marriages and arranged marriages without taking sides. It looks at this concept through the story of two best friends, Mansi and Shivani, who are polar opposite in their attitudes and belief, but have the same passion, penchant and commitment towards their relationships and a happy marriage.
लव मैरिजेस में आपको एक दूसरे की अच्छाई बुराई पहले से पता होती है, भरोसा होता है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है।
अरेंज मैरिजेस अगरबत्ती की तरह होती है, धीमी जलती है पर लंबी चलती है।
Mansi comes from a well-to-do family, very feminine and every Indian man's ideal wife material. She's very conservative and maintains that she will marry whoever her parents choose for her. Shivani is the antithesis of Mansi. She comes from a humble family. She's aggressive. However, unlike Mansi, she fancies love marriage.
लव मैरिज में ना हस्बैंड प्यारे प्यारे से सरप्राइजेस देता है और अरेंज मैरिज हस्बैंड खुद ही एक सरप्राइज होता है।
And despite the differed opinion and belief, their friendship remains as strong as ever. But due to unforeseen circumstances, they happen to part ways for few years. But then, as fate would have it, Shivani returns to Udaipur to win over Sahil's family. Coincidentally, at the time when Anoop's family is coming to see Mansi for an arranged marriage. While Shivani has finally fallen in love with Sahil, it is later revealed that Anoop and Sahil are real brothers. Whilst Mansi and Anoop get married the arranged way, Shivani and Sahil are left with no other option but to do a court marriage.
मुझे आप लोगों को किसी स्पेशल से मिलवाना है। शिवानी साहिल सिसोदिया, my wife.
शिवानी,
मानसी,
A new life starts for both the girls as they come into the same house as two daughter-in-laws. But their journeys are totally different. Mansi discovers the flip side of arranged marriage, where she knows very little of Anoop and how difficult it could get for her to adjust with someone whose ideologies are so different from the values she has grown up with. However, she gets support from her mother-in-law, who seems to understand her isolation and distance from her husband. While Shivani has all the love from her husband, but his family, especially his mother, doesn't approve of her.
शिवानी को उसके माँ-बाप यहाँ छोड़ दिया।
No matter how difficult it gets for Shivani to make her place in his family.
शिवानी, तुम फिक्र मत करो, तुम्हें मेरे प्यार पे भरोसा है ना? मैं हमारे प्यार को कभी हारने नहीं दूंगा।
Being two daughter-in-laws in the same household also pits Shivani and Mansi against each other a lot of times, especially since one is a daughter-in-law of their choice, while the other seems like an imposter. However, they struggle to protect their friendship from the demands of their relations with their family. A marriage in India is not just between two people, but the entire family. Going through the ups and downs and beautiful moments in marriage, many ties may break, while many special bonds are formed. Love marriage या arranged marriage? This is Sony Entertainment Network.